Let's talk about our chart of the day. It's tech. It's Broadcom.
Yeah.
It did hit $1 trillion in market cap on the back of an earnings beat. Revs did miss, but their AI revenue for the year has more than tripled. You take a look at that performance right there. You don't see that very often. 6 price target increases today. Stacey Rascon over at Bernstein. Overall, the AI story really seems to be coming into its own. Perhaps Hock, he's talking about Hock Tan, the CEO, might think about shopping for a leather jacket, obviously referencing Jensen Huang of NVIDIA. Kev, you own the stock.
Yeah, I mean, I think that the numbers were decent. The reaction to the share price is unbelievable. Great. This is one that we don't have a covered call written against it, so that's even better.
No, that's better.
This is the
no call away here.
Yeah, we don't have to talk about Apple. So the you talked about the revenue. They were up 44% year over year. $51 billion in revenues is an all-time high. $19.4 billion in free cash flow. And if you look at valuations, which I was critical of Apple on, this thing at 35 times earnings is not egregious by any means, especially if their 5-year projections of 21% earnings and 44% revenue can continue. You can make a case that it's still cheap here. But I'm probably going to write a call soon and get it covered up.
Yeah, Bryn, what about the chips now, right? Which have so dramatically underperformed software, for example. 6 losers over 6 months out of the SMH. Qorvo's down near 40%. Microchip Tech down 34. ASML is down in the 30s, as is Intel and Micron. Applied Materials is basically at that level of decline. Lam Research just below that, down 27%. You have NVIDIA. Obviously, that stock has underperformed the other Mag 7 names. Melius today wonders whether it's getting set to reload in 2025. Now, maybe the chips are going to end the year with a bang, too. I don't know. Maybe Broadcom's move today does that. They suggest that people are going to walk into 25 and realize they're underweight NVIDIA by accident and be forced to load up once again.
I have never been a fan of SMH. I think that the semis in general have been very specific ones. You've had AMD over time, but this year, Broadcom and NVIDIA are what you've wanted to own. And so I don't see next year all of a sudden saying, I want to have a basket of these names. I think you could have investors say, hey, Broadcom, I'm going to lean into Broadcom and NVIDIA. But I think you have to question the general basket because investors have become, I think, very laser focused on not the general basket, whether it's software or semis, of which companies are actually going to benefit in the near term from this AI spend. And I think last night, while to Kevin's point, their earnings were fine, what they're predicting in a new revenue stream by Broadcom in 2027 is just exorbitant. And so I think that's what the stock is up 20% for. So I think you want to stay narrow in this space, stay away from SMH, because if you look at the median performance of SMH, I think the median stock is up 1 or 2% this year. So stay specific, stay narrow in the names that are working. And I think that NVIDIA and Broadcom will be beneficiaries clearly in 2026 because everyone else is telling us they will be. All the other hyperscalers.